Hi. Cold extract coffee maker project 4. 4. I took my red spot laser. I held the aperture up against it. It centers perfectly. That wasn't the problem with using the aperture and the laser for my positioning device. Just my laser science is kindergarten, so what can I say? Anyway, and I looked through and I could see the little itty bitty red dot here. Yep, aperture's open. I put it away. So I've come to the conclusion that 50 microns, it just too small a hole for water to go drip. I let it sit for 2 hours and no drip. I was hoping for like every hour, hour and a half drip. So I have a 2,000th of an inch diameter drill bit. What to make my aperture of? Yeah, I still got some of that laying around. It wasn't worth selling. Poppy just came up with a brainstorm. See the lightning back there behind the eyes?